Here's a simple French macaron recipe. Let's see how it's made. In a small bowl, we are going to sift our almond flour and icing sugar together. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. In a separate bowl, we are going to take Aquafaba and whip it together. If you don't know what Aquafaba is, it's the liquid that comes in a can of chickpeas, and apparently it is a substitute for egg whites. Now gradually add the castor sugar and whip everything together. At this point, you can add gel food color of your choice and fold everything together. Once the desired color is achieved, then we are going to fold our flour and icing sugar mixture. Make sure not to overmix this. Now take a piping bag with a round tip and transfer your mixture. You can use parchment paper or silicone pad. I just traced some round circles to give me a guide for my macarons. Pipe your macarons. Now leave the macarons to air dry for about 30 minutes. They should have a stiff skin on top. Preheat your oven to 285 Fahrenheit and bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. You can do any choice of filling. I just melted a few tablespoons of dark chocolate and I'm mixing it with all ready-made whipping cream. Again, I am using a piping bag to do my filling. You can do this with spoon too if you like. I have already matched my macarons with same size and just fill them up and enjoy. These macarons are light and fluffy and chewy at the same time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.